What's up, CC Mob? It's your girl CC back with another video. Before we get into this video, give us a big thumbs up. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notification bell. Follow me on my social medias, and let's get straight into this video. Alright, so today's video, I'll be doing a wig install. And I just came from the hair store, and I had bought a wig, and there's a 38-inch, and there's what's it? It's a lace front, synthetic, 1B. I'm about to really slay this joint, and it comes with baby hairs. So, yo, we about to eat that up real quick, and then I got another wig too. So, I don't know if I want to try both of them on or just one and do it in another video. Or maybe not. I don't know. But we'll see. But let's just get into this video. I'm so excited. Okay, guys. So, since I already got, like, hair products and stuff on my hair, I'm not going to braid it. I'm just going to put it all the way to a big ponytail. But I'm trying to make that one flat. Let me tell y'all. Alright, so the reason why it took me so long to post another video was because I was in the hospital. I was in the ICU for my asthma. It was so severe this time, and I was in the ICU. So I was actually in the hospital for like. So when I posted that video on my friend's birthday party, I was really still wheezing at the time because I was in the hospital that whole week. But I only left because I wanted to attend to her party. And I told everybody I was fine, and I really wasn't. And then I had to go back, and I had to go in the ICU this time. That was crazy. And they had me on the breathing machine. Yeah, that's why. Okay. This is better. Oh, let's do some befores. Yo, I was supposed to be doing a thumbnail, and I did that. Try this I don't know if this is my first time, but I don't know what I'm doing.
when I'm really like done the full.
This is the finished look, yo. I look so cute. And this is synthetic. And I look this cute. And I didn't know what I was doing. And I did that. Like as I should. Oh, okay. It's given. Usually I wouldn't like it. But I like this. And it's a 38-inch. Yo. I'm really about to make all these videos. Y'all know I am. Y'all know I am. Hold up. Let's start. Behind the scenes. Behind the scenes. Hold up. Yes! Yo, I'm feeling me. Alright, I gotta end this video because I gotta go make some videos. But, yo, this is the final look. Tell me how y'all like it. I try my best. If it looks wow, I'll get my mom to fix it because, you know, I just wanted to do something, try a different hairstyle I never did before. And I never did. Something like this, I think. Yes. So let me go play with me. With my hair. And I'll see y'all in another lifetime. Saying that. Please give us a big thumbs up. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn the post notification bell. Follow me on my social medias. And I'm out, little baby.
I'll do you dirty, yeah. Wish you could